Rain rarely occurs with Stratocumulus Clouds. However, they can turn into Nimbostratus Clouds. Nimbostratus Clouds form a dark gray, wet-looking cloud layer associated with continuously falling rain or snow. They can often produce precipitation that is usually light to moderate. Altocumulus clouds are mid-level clouds that are made up of water droplets and appear as gray puffy masses. They usually form in groups. If you see altocumulus clouds on a warm, sticky morning, be prepared to see thunderstorms late in the afternoon. Cumulus clouds form as water vapor condenses in strong upward air currents above the Earth's surface. These clouds usually have flat bases and lumpy tops. Cumulus clouds are usually very isolated with large areas of blue sky in between the clouds. Stratus clouds also form when a layer of air is cooled from below to its dew point temperature and water vapor condenses into liquid droplets. Stratus clouds look like a layer of fog that never reaches the ground. In fact, fog that lifts off the ground forms a layer of low stratus clouds. Global wind patterns. The region of Earth's receiving the sun's direct rays is the equator. Here, air is heated and rises, leaving low pressure areas behind. Moving to about 30 degrees north and south of the equator, the warm air form the equator begins to cool and sink. Air masses is a body of air with horizontally uniform temperature, humidity, and pressure. The types of air masses are continental Arctic, which is bitterly cold and dry, continental polar, which is cold and dry, maritime polar is cold and moist, maritime tropic is warm and moist, continental tropic is hot and dry. A tornado is a mobile, destructive vortex of violently rotating winds, having the appearance of a funnel-shaped cloud and advancing beneath a large storm system. A hurricane is a huge storm. It can be up to 600 miles across and have strong winds, spiraling inward and upward at speeds of 75 to 200 miles per hour. Each hurricane usually lasts for over a week, moving 10 to 20 miles per hour over the open ocean. Hurricanes gather heat and energy through contact with warm ocean waters. A flood is an overflowing of a large amount of water beyond its normal confines, especially over what is normally dry land. A thunderstorm is a storm with thunder and lightning, and typically also heavy rain or hail. Weather symbols are used in forecasts to show what is happening in an area, as in capital H stands for high pressure, which is going to be nicer weather, as a capital L is low pressure, which will be worse weather in that area. A climate is the weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or a long period of time. Landforms are natural features of the Earth's surface which can affect the climate and weather of where you are in that area.